Ooh.
Check it out.
Pretty.
So I get to see the pictures every day of the job progress photos, but you all get to see it once a week. Let me show you what's been done here. We start on the outside, and it has been sealed. Before when we came out, it was rolled back, the tie-back was rolled back, it was not joined, and there was an opening here because there was a door in there, and this was what we were using to gain our access. Now, and of course the best time to paint and do all that's before you put masonry on. Now the masonry would go on, and I'd like Justin to just show that corner right there. And what you can see is that we did not line up the new masonry with the old masonry, but we are going to tie it in. And I'm going to walk over there a little bit. If we had built this wall out flush, that was originally what the homeowner was thinking we would do, build it all the way out. But then the old stone and the new stone would have shown really clearly, because it would have been one straight line across it, and you can always see the old from the new. One of the things we recommend doing, if the client will allow us to, is to offset slightly. This gives a nice natural look to an addition being built, and it makes it look like original architecture. So the addition will not show a difference in the stone from the old to the new because there will be a separation. It will not be lining up directly with it, and you will not be able to tell where the addition started and where it ended. If you tie new and old stone together, you'll always be able to tell, or you're having to take down a whole lot of the other stone so that you can hide that look. And so it won't be obvious. This is not going to be obvious at all. It's going to be concealed and look very, very natural. That's the way much architecture is done, with slight step downs as houses turn, as they drop down in heights and so forth. We were able to tie the roof in 100% evenly with everything, so that looks perfect. And this is a very natural type of architecture that we're doing here. So we're ready for stone on the outside, but why don't we go ahead and go inside and see what else has been done since the last time we were here. So our drywall crew is here. Just good timing, get to see them bringing it in. Hey guys, how's it going? Good. We're just showing some of the progress happening on here. Good to see you again. Thanks. How are you? Good. Good. Great to see you guys. Thank you. We're going to go ahead and open up. Are y'all coming through the front door? Sir. All right. Well, I'll go ahead and open it up.
Hey,
We're going to take some pictures.
okay.
We're ready to bring in the drywall.
I see that.
Great seeing you.
Good seeing you too. Turn the lights on back there.
Watch the piano. So we were patching up the area in the inside where the door used to be, and then we'll finish tape and floating and texturing it, and then starting Monday we start the shelving on the inside. Let's take a look and see what else has happened in here on the bathroom.
Ooh.
Check it out.
Pretty.
So we're ready. Glass has already been measured, and it'll be coming in next week. A really nice classic design. Still needs some grouting. Has not been grouted yet, but look at how it ties in together with the niche and the floor.
It feels so much bigger now that it's tiled.
It does, doesn't it? And the tile top matches the tile on the floor.
Ah.
The bench top. We were able to save the existing glass block, and that's a cool obscure look down low, but even a little more visible up high. Glass will come in and turn this corner slightly, just a little corner, to keep out more of the moisture from the shower head. Just gives this has no doorway in it, so they wanted just a little bit more protection from the spray of the shower head by having a little turn in this glass. Makes a corner right here.
That's smart.
And we didn't want to crowd the toilet anymore, so not having a door helps that a lot. So the good design was able to maximize and get an elongated toilet, which we wouldn't have been able to do if we'd have had a door. You could have opened the door in, but they didn't really want that. So if the door's not opening out, we needed to have no doorway at all, and that's going to accomplish that. It's going to really look nice, and it will keep, like we said, keep the shower spray down. Nice colors on the walls too. It's a durable enamel paint.
Oh yes, he did tell me. But it's been nice. That door in the closet was perfect.
That made it nice, didn't it?
Oh, how private. It was wonderful. That's a great idea.
It helps.
That is so
as
nice
you
for everybody.
as
It's
you
nice
are a good
it's
witness.
really nice for us.
Yeah.
As you are a good witness, it does make a difference.
A little bit of work done on a Friday afternoon to get it all buttoned up. And then Monday we're ready for installing the shelving. Client's very happy, still feels very calm. I love to see a calm client like that, even though remodeling can be very intrusive. As she says, we minimize that intrusion in their homes. It's a great experience, and let's go on to the next one.